strumming your guitar. I hear the distant drums and sounds of river walls. We're coming from afar. River goes the night and every hour, every minute seems to last eternally. I was so afraid, Fernando. We were young and full of life, and none of us prepared to die. And I'm not ashamed to say the roars of guns and cannons almost made me cry. There was something in the air that night. The stars were bright, Fernando. They were shining there for you and me, for liberty, Fernando. Though we never thought that we could lose, there's no regret. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. Yes, if I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. Never owned the brave Fernando. Since many years I haven't seen a rifle in your hand. Can you hear the drums, Fernando? Do you still recall that fateful night we crossed the Rio Grande? I can see it in your eyes how proud you were to fight for freedom in this land.